Hello and welcome again to the channel. We have another question on the board. We have that x plus y equals 24 and xy equals 48. And we're asked to find for the value of x and y. So let's start this way. We have x plus y equals 24 and we have xy equals 48. This is our equation 1. This is our equation 2. So let's go to equation 1, x plus y equals 24. Let's try to make x the subject of the formula. So if we move y to the right-hand side, we have 24 minus y. X equals 24 minus y. So we're going to substitute this value of x into equation 2. So where we have x, we'll replace it with 24 minus y. So now we have 24 minus y equals 48. So now we multiply through so we can open up the bracket. And so we have 24y, that's 24 times y, 24y minus y times y will give us y squared equals 48. Now, if we move 48 to the right-hand side, we have minus y squared plus 24y minus 48 is equal to 0. Now, let's make our y squared become, have a positive sign. And we can do that by multiplying the left and the right-hand sides by minus 1. So if we multiply left and right-hand sides by minus 1, we have minus times minus will give us positive y squared, minus 1 times plus 24y will give us minus 24y, and minus 1 times minus 48 will give us plus 48, and that is equal to 0. Now, to be able to find the value of y, we use the quadratic formula. We use the quadratic formula where we have that y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now, our a is equal to 1. Our b is equal to minus 24. And our c is equal to positive 48. All right, so let's substitute these values into our equation. So we have that y is equal to b is minus 24, so minus 24 plus or minus the square root of minus 24 squared minus 4a is 1, our c is 48 divided by 2a is 1. So now we have y equals minus times minus will give us positive 24 plus or minus square root of 24 squared. So what's 24 squared? 24 times 24, 16, 9, 8, 4. So we have 6, 7, 576. So we have 576 minus times minus is positive, so that's why we have positive 576 minus 48 times 4, 3, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we have 192 divided by 2. Okay, so now we carry on. We have that y is equal to 24 plus or minus square root of 576 minus 192. We have 6 from 2 is 4. 17 from 9, that should be 8. 4 from 1 is 3. So we have 384. So 384, square root of 384 divided by 2. So y now is equal to 24 plus or minus square root of 324. So let's find the factors of 384. Factors of 384, we have 2 here is 1, 9, 2. 2 here is 9 times 2 is 18, 19, 96. 2 here is 4 times 2 is 8, 9, 48. 2 here is 24. 2 here is 12, 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, and 1. So we have, this is like 2, 2, 2, and then 6. So we have 2 times 2 times 2, that's 8. So it's 2 raised to the power 3 times 2 and then times 3. So let's see how we can get that in there so we can get rid of the square root. So this already, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 2 raised to the power 7 and then 3. 2 raised to the power 7 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 6, 2 raised to the power 1. Okay, right, so let's do that. Let's do that. So we have square root of 2 raised to the power 6, 2 raised to the power 1 times 3 all over 2. Now, we have 24 plus or minus square root of 2 raised to the power 6, 2 raised to the power 6, root of 2, and root of 3 divided by 2. So this is the same thing as 24 plus or minus 2 raised to the power 6 dot 1 over 2. That's because that's how you represent the square root, times raised to the power 1 over 2. Then root 3, root 2 is root 6 divided by 2. That cancels out. We have 3. So y is 24 plus or minus 8 root 6 divided by 2. What can we factor out? We can factor out 8. But we just wanted to divide 2. So 2 here is 1, 2 here is 4, 2 here is 12. So we have y is 12 plus or minus 4 root 6. So now that means y1 is equal to, let's see, let's just make sure. Okay. X plus y is 24. So that means we have y1 equals 12 plus 4 root 6, and y2 equals 12 minus 4 root 6. Now, let's go ahead and find the values of our x. So we know that x plus y is equal to 24, I believe. Therefore, x is 24 minus y. Okay, so let's just do that. Our x is equal to 24 minus y. So let's plug in the value of y. So for our x1, we have 24 minus 12 plus 4 root 6. So now we have that x1 is equal to 24 minus 12. Minus times plus will give us minus 4 root 6. So x1 is equal to 24 minus 12 will give us 12 minus 4 root 6. That's our x1. And let's go to our x2. x2 is 24 minus 12 minus 4 root 6. Now our x2 is equal to, if we open up the bracket, we have 24 minus 12. Minus times minus gives us plus 4 root 6. So 24 minus 12 will still give us another 12, but this time plus 4 root 6. Now, therefore we have that our x1, so we have x1 to be 12 minus 4 root 6. y1 is 12 plus 4 root 6. And then we have x2 is 12 plus 4 root 6. And then we have y2 is 12 minus 4 root 6. Okay, so now we have values of x1, y1, x2, y2. Now, let's verify these answers that we have here, just to make sure that the answers we have are correct. So, using equation 1 states that x plus y is equal to 24. Okay. And if we see from our answers, they're just reciprocals. So x1 is 12 minus 4 root 6. x2 is 12 plus 4 root 6. y1 is 12 plus 4 root 6. y2 is 12 minus 4 root 6. So they're just opposites, right? So if we take x1 and y1 and add them up, we have 12 minus 4 root 6 plus 12 plus 4 root 6. And we're trying to see if that's equal to 24. Minus 4 root 6 plus 4 root 6, they cancel out. And we have left 12 plus 12, 24, which is equal to 24. And we see that applying the answers to equation 1, the answers are correct. So let's try using equation 2. Let's apply to equation 2 and see if we're going to get the same answer. This time around, let's try x2, y2. Doesn't matter. So now xy is equal to 48. That's our equation 2. So we have x2 to be 12 plus 4 root 6. 12 plus 4 root 6 times 12 minus 4 root 6. And we're trying to see if this will be equal to 48. So 12 times 12 will give us 144. 12 times 4 root 6 will give us minus 48 root 6. Then plus 12 times 4 root 6 again will give us another 48 root 6. Then plus times minus will give us minus. 4 root 6 times 4 root 6 is 4 root 6 squared. I'm trying to see if that's equal to 48. Now, we see that minus 48 root 6 plus 48 root 6, they both cancel out. So we have 144 minus, this is 4 squared and also root 6 squared. This squared cancels out the square root sign, and we have 144 minus 4 squared is 16 times. We have 6 left. And let's see if that's going to be equal to 48. So 144 minus 16 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. 3. 6 times 1, 6 is 6 plus 3 will give us 9. And let's see if that's equal to 48. 14 minus 6 will give us 8. And we have 13 left. 13 minus 9 will give us 4. And we can see that what we have on the left-hand side is equal to what we have on the right-hand side. Therefore, our answers for x1, y1, x2, and y2 are correct. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found it interesting, please subscribe to the channel. If you love to see more math videos like this, do well to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you again on the next video. Thank you and bye-bye.